I know you want to be successful, but how will you keep yourself motivated? In this highly competitive world out there, you need to compete with your competencies to emerge as a winner in life. Your willpower, your determination, your self-discipline, your highest level of self-motivation will emerge you as a winner. Welcome to iFly Station.
Do you want to be recognized as an outstanding leader? Do you want to achieve great success in life? Do you know the options that you have? Careers tomorrow are going to be entirely different from what we see them today. New jobs, new roles, and new skills are emerging almost on a daily basis. Adaptability and ability to learn these skills quickly, as rapidly as possible, is going to be the key competency needed for the future. It is time to prepare for the future and keep your career options open. Welcome to the iFly Station.
Studying hard is okay, but what about studying smart? Yes, smart learning is the key. It is time to learn smart through memory and mind mapping. Have stress-free preparation for exams. Make studying and preparing for exams a fun activity. Welcome to iFly Station.
Math solutions are okay, but how about life solutions? Change is happening fast. The world around us is changing. Technology is changing. Tomorrow is unpredictable. In this scenario, you should be stronger, bolder, and confident to face the tougher challenges of life. Welcome to iFly Station.
You're good, but how about being extraordinary? It's the time to sharpen your skills. Set bigger goals. Be focused. Be more creative. Improve your communication skills. Manage your time well. Become an effective public speaker. More than anything, take an initiative to lead others successfully. Welcome to iFly Station.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక టీ బ్యాగ్లో లోపలున్న టీ మంచి క్వాలిటీ లేదనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మంచి టీ తయారవ్వదు మీకు. కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈజ్ టీ బ్యాగ్లో ఉన్న టీ ఎంత గొప్పగా ఉంటే అంత అద్భుతమైన టీ తయారవుతుంది. దాని నుంచి మనం ఏం నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అంటే, మనలో అద్భుతమైన మెటీరియల్ ఉంటే రేపు ఒక అద్భుతమైన నాయకత్వాన్ని మనం ప్రజలకు ఇవ్వచ్చు అన్నమాట.
8142646940 82705199126576. Just believe in yourself. You too have the super brain. Whatever మీ సక్సెస్ కి మీ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ కి మొత్తం కారణం ఓన్లీ ది స్మాల్ పార్ట్ కాల్డ్ బ్రెయిన్. దీంట్లో చేస్తే మంచి ఆలోచన, బాగా చదువుకుంటే యూ కెన్ బికమ్ ద నెంబర్ 1 పర్సన్.
It's not important that where you began. It's very important where you end up. So failures will come every day, and then each failure brings in an opportunity. And then you go back and then you think about the same thing. Next day morning you better that, and then you go and then you say, thank God I failed yesterday.
Get ready for tougher challenges in life.
Equip yourselves with the new skills to survive and excel in the new world.
Study smart. Outbid the competition.
Put that extra effort to become extraordinary.
Be a leader, be a winner.
Unlock your child's potential during this vacation. 10 days, 10 sessions, 10 life skills by best speakers. Every day 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. starting from 30th April onwards. For registrations, call or WhatsApp 99488 or mail to iflystation@gmail.com.
iFly Station, the Winners Workshop.